So here are 5 different ways that you can get a down payment to purchase an investment property. Number 1, you can look at your budget, look at your credit card expenses, see where you can cut out subscriptions, cut down on eating out, Starbucks, all these things. The little things do add up when you're saving for your first property. Number 2, second most unpopular idea, is to sell or refinance your house. So generally you're going to get the most cash from selling your home, and then you would either buy a property, live in one unit, or rent. So you can do that to get the biggest down payment. That's what I did when I got started. Or you can refinance and pull cash out if you have equity. So number 3 is if you have any money in retirement, you can use that potentially for investing in real estate. So you will want to talk to your advisor and see if you're able to use the funds in your retirement. Number 4, get a gift or a loan from friends or family. Remember, if you or anybody else you know has cash sitting in a bank account, it is losing money. So they can earn more money by you paying interest on a loan to purchase a property. So number 5 is to get a partner. But remember, a partnership is like a marriage. So you want to make sure that you have a partner that you can agree with, because I have seen them go both ways. I've seen them go amazing, I've seen them just go okay, and I've seen them go horribly. So if you're going to get a partner, it's a serious consideration, but that is another way to get started. It's also something I did when I was getting started in my journey. So there you have it. 5 ways to save for a down payment on an investment property.